So we have the absolute pleasure to launch this program next Thursday on the 29th of April, focused on the East of England, and Tech East being our collaboration partner for this launch. And essentially it's broken into a 2-week program. So the first week, starting on Thursday, is all around the art of the possible, and it's essentially like an online conference webinar style. So there's going to be things from our culture of innovation, which is our kickoff event, and that's the only event that we're asking everyone to attend. That's sort of the mandatory kickoff session. It's 1 hour, and it will introduce the program and share our culture of innovation. And then there's roughly 9 other sort of webinars from guest speakers around AWS and also Rabura, one of our partners, around totally different topics, from like technology specifics. We've got machine learning and the Internet of Things topics. We've got how to hire and develop a world-class cloud team. We've got how to unblock digital innovation for small and medium businesses. We've got an introduction to AWS for people that maybe haven't heard about AWS before or haven't tried AWS before. So a bit of an introduction to cloud compute and what that means. But on top of this, we've also got fireside chats with customers that we already work with. So we've got 3 customers that have done some fireside chats for us. One of them is actually Made Purple, which is based in the East of England, and works with our Ministry of Justice to support inmates basically video calling their loved ones through COVID who weren't allowed to have in-person meetings through COVID anymore. So that's a really interesting story. And then we also have a fireside chat from 2 of our ISV partners, so software as a service providers on our AWS marketplace. So there's a lot of different pieces of information that you can drop in and out of in the week. And something to stress is that it's a jam-packed agenda, but we're not expecting everyone to join every session. We've made it so varied so that you can choose a couple of sessions that are of interest to you, and everything will be on demand after, but only for the people that have registered. So it's not going to be a public page with all of the content and resources. It's only going to be available to those that register. So it's quite a special program. The second week, anyone who has attended at least one event in the first week will get an exclusive application and invitation to our second week. So you have to have gone through the first week to get to the second week. And the second week is the hands-on part. And unfortunately, we can only take 25 customers through the second week, just because of resources, and it's so much more hands-on. So you would have to put in, it's very simple application, it's just 4 boxes. But essentially, what is your customer challenge and what do you want to innovate with AWS? How can we help you? And we'll work with 25 customers through the second week. And this is where our digital innovation lead of the UK, which is Rob Hodges, he's going to be owning that second week and taking you through a program that he takes global enterprises through in 6 to 8 weeks. And at the end of it, you will have a PR FAQ that you have written about your innovation, your customer challenge. And then we have 3 of our partners that are going to select 2 to 3 different customers and work with them on a prototype on AWS. And yeah, basically sponsor that MVP for a small amount. But any customer that interacts with us in that second week, I will be supporting and following up and see how we can help you further regardless. So yeah, it's a really exciting program. I hope I've done it justice in explaining, but it's around digital innovation. It's focused on small and medium businesses and in the East of England. So I would absolutely love to see as many of you there as possible, even if it's just for that first week. And it's to no cost to you. So that was very important for me to get across to our digital innovation team, because again, I just want to ensure that these resources are available to small and medium businesses. So this is at no cost to any business that attends either in the first week or the second week. So I just want to make that clear.